What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be going over 5 pointers for entrepreneurs that I've done for myself. Whether you think you're productive enough or not, I think this video is gonna help you, and at least one of these points will help you if you actually utilize it. So for the first step, we're gonna have to go onto my phone, so I'll see you there in 1 second. Alrighty, we are on my Instagram page, Gibby, as you can see. I don't know why I bought this username. I bought it probably over a year ago now, and it's just sitting here, as you can see. It gains followers though, it gets a lot of engagement because it's Gibby. I know a majority of you are on social media. You're on social media right now watching this YouTube video, so that most likely means you have an Instagram, a Twitter, or a Facebook, or anything like that. So I'm sure for most of you, you like to go on Instagram, you go through here, you swipe, you look at all these memes, you'll see what everybody else is doing, but you're not focusing on yourself. One thing that I do on my Instagram, I keep my following number to a specific number. So what I do, if I see that number goes over, I go to my following, I see, alright, is this someone either A, I'm close friends with, or B, someone or some kind of page that helps me in a positive way. So by going through here, I can be like, alright, look, 6Buzz, they just post memes, whatever. That's not helping me, that's distracting me, that's wasting my time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unfollow them. Boom, simple. So if I go through here and I see like, alright, cool, Grant Cardone. He's a big real estate guy. He posts a lot of motivational stuff. He posts a lot of informational stuff. He helps me. So I'm gonna stay following him because most of his content is something I can use and is applicable to my own life. Think about this. For every action you're making, whether it's something minuscule or something very large, is this something that's gonna help me get to where I want to be? Is this gonna help me accomplish my goals? If not, then forget about it. And number 2, turning off all notifications. Just go ahead and go to your settings, as you can see where I'm at right now, and go to notifications and go to all your social media apps, okay? So let's go ahead and start with Instagram. We're gonna turn off all notifications. Whether it's the little thing at the top, the entire notification, whatever it is, turn all of it off because you don't really need that. I always have do not disturb on, and I only allow calls from my favorites when my do not disturb is on, which is, some of my business partners and my parents. So if I do need to answer the phone, that is there, but if someone calls me or it doesn't really matter and it's gonna waste my time, then it just ignores it. Number 3, you see this iPhone? Now you don't. It's in the trash can. Probably wasn't the best idea. Okay, where did it go? Oof. Oh, just a little bit of stuff. We're good, we're good, we're good. So by moving your phone away from you when you're working is gonna help you keep away from going on your phone. I'm guilty of this every single day. I'm working here at my desk and my phone's right there. I'm gonna go check it and go on Instagram or something like that and just see what's going on. It's not worth your time for you to waste that productive energy you're using to work to go on your phone. A lot of people use their phone for work, including me, but not all the time. If I have something that needs to be done on my phone, I'm gonna plan it out and make sure I do it at a specific time and not try to interfere myself with my phone while I'm working on my computer. So move your phone, put it in the trash can, put it in a closet, put it under your bed, whatever you wanna do. And number 4, when you wake up in the morning, that's when you have the most brain energy. That's when you have the most power in your mind to do specific things. So when you wake up in the morning, don't just wake up and walk around, go on your phone for a couple hours and then start working. You're ready for your day like you normally would, and then accomplish the biggest goal on your to-do list for the day. Because at the beginning of the day, you have the most mind power, and that's when you have the most energy to achieve something that maybe you don't really want to do, but it's something that's very important, or it's just something that's very important and you just need to knock out for the day. And once you get that big thing done for the day, it's gonna be in your mind that you already accomplished this big task, and that's gonna affect your mood and your focus for the entire day. And now number 5, this is something I've been doing for almost 3 or 4 months now, has just been planning my day out every single night. So right now I'm filming this video, it's 2:30 a.m. and I haven't planned out my day for tomorrow, so I'm gonna go on my phone and show you guys exactly how I do it. It's very simple. As you see right here, this is my note I have every single day of the week, 7 days a week, 24/7. It's always gonna be here. I put at the top, I have the date, essentials. These are my essentials. I call them my essentials. As I've been focused on my health and things like that recently, I keep my essentials here just for certain things that are free. It's free to drink water, it's free to do cardio, it's free to do pull-ups, it's free to do squats, it's free to do push-ups. All that stuff is free. And I consider them my essentials because I have to get them done every single day, whether I want to or not. Then I have my to-dos. Go to gym. And then I'll put different things like check my Facebook groups, go to a meeting, do whatever I need to do that day. And I plan out tons of different things. I like to write out more than I expect I will. As the day goes on, if I have to go to a meeting and I go to the meeting, take that off the list. And normally at the end of the day for me, there's gonna be, 3 to 5 different things on there that I didn't accomplish. And what I will do is keep those things on the list, move them to the top, and then for the next day, I'll put under it the other things that need to get done. So the next day, when I go and check my list for things I need to get done, I'm gonna have the things I didn't do the previous day that needed to get done there on the top. So those are my 5 top productivity hacks for entrepreneurs. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.